products that I use for my natural hair. So I have it in twist right now, and well, really tiny little ones, and some corners in the front. And people always ask me what I use on my hair. The main thing that makes my hair grow is I take vitamins for my various conditions, and that makes my hair and nails grow really well. But I do have some products that I swear by to make my hair super manageable. So we'll talk about my conditioner. Nope, my shampoo. So I like this shampoo. It's called Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. So all of my stuff tends to have coconut in it because my hair really likes coconut. I actually make my own coconut oil for my hair that I use as part of my styling routine. So for my conditioner shampoo, I use the Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. And this is sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, no petrolatum. And this makes my hair really super soft and manageable. It's enriched with coconut milk and apple cider vinegar, and this is from Jackies. So that's one of my favorite brands out there. And Jackies, the fragrances aren't too strong. If I'm not mistaken, it's a black owned company. So yeah, that's my favorite. I like everything in this line. So that's my shampoo. That's the only shampoo I'm using right now. Now for my conditioner, I like this Hask coconut milk and organic honey curl care conditioner. I first tried their packet of dip conditioner and it made my hair so super soft. I don't have any right now, but I'll probably go out and I'll try and link it below if I can get a link to the dip conditioner as well. So this is my conditioner. I also like, for conditioner, I like the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine, but the price keeps going up and it keeps pricing out of my budget, but I will use this sometime. It's fine. It makes my hair shiny and manageable, but not as soft as the Hask. And for deep conditioning, I'll either use the packet that comes with this, or I'll use the Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. So if you don't like coconut, if your hair doesn't like coconut, you can just exit out of this video. Alright, so Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner. This makes my hair super soft and manageable. I put it on. I use my makeshift heating cap. If you guys are interested in that, leave a comment below and I'll do a video. And I leave it on for like half an hour and then I rinse it out and my hair is super soft. So now for moisturizer, I'll use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So what I normally do first is I put my coconut oil in my hair and then I use a cream moisturizer. So I'll use the Curl Enhancing Smoothie from Shea Moisture, or I'll use the Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant from Jackies. This one is a lot lighter than the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I find my hair doesn't hold as much dust when I put it, but it still detangles really nice and makes my hair really nice and soft. And for gel, my favorite gel is Don't Shrink by Jackies. The scent isn't too bad. And when I want to do a braid out, or even if I just have braids and I want them to stay for a while, I'll use Don't Shrink by Jackies. I also like the Curl Boss by Jackies if I want more curls in my hair and my hair does not curl easily. So if I'm doing like a big puff or wash and go or something like that, I might use the Curl Boss. You might want to know what I used for my twist: coconut oil and buttercream. That's all I used. So I'm kind of on a budget, so I'm not using too much stuff. That's why I like the Jackies, because they're more affordable than anything else, especially down here in St. Lucia's, and they're easy to get. So yeah, that's me right now, using all of my stuff. So if you have any questions about these products, let me know and I can talk about them some more. Also, if you have any products that you really like. If your hair does well with coconut and you want to tell me about some other coconut based products, let me know and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mo out.